Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So through this video I will let you customize my own GIF. So here you just need to open the CapCut application, and then you just need to open the video that you want to create as a GIF. And the next you just need to customize which area that you want to save as a GIF here. So let's say I would like to save the GIF from the way he jumped here. So I will let to crop this and delete for the rest, and this is what we like out. And now if you want to save it as a GIF, you just need to tap into this button and tap into the GIF one. So you just need to tap or choosing the quality of the video, and then you just need to export it. And then you're done. Let's check into the photo gallery what will be its result. So I already got the GIF already. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification for upcoming tutorials, guys.